So,
Hello. Yeah.
how are you?
Yes. I am pretty well, and as we know each other. But for our
Yeah,
viewers, we should introduce each other. So I
yeah,
would like
sure.
to know about you.
Yeah, sure. I'm Mansi Billa. I'm a mother of a child, and I'm a homemaker as well as I'm also running my YouTube channel. Apart from this, if I talk about my educational background, I have done post graduation and BEd, and right now I'm working on my spoken English skills and communication skills. That's all about me.
Yeah. Lovely introduction. Now,
Thank you.
mm, would you like me to introduce myself?
Yes, yes, sure.
Yeah. My name is Lata Garg. I am a homemaker, and I want to level up my English. I am fond of speaking English. That's all about me.
Yeah, it was a nice introduction. So, should we start on our topic, or you want to discuss something else?
Mm, But before going into our conversation, now tell me, according to you, how much grammar is important in order to speak English better?
Okay, I think grammar is very much important in learning English language. Either it is spoken part or written part, because we are not good at grammar, or we can say we don't know anything about grammar, then we can't be able to write or speak sentences. So even for the speaking part, I would say that the grammar is important. A little bit knowledge of grammar, like we should know have a knowledge of tenses, and we should have we should also have a little bit knowledge of rules like ISMR rules. So it is important
Yeah,
because it is the base. Grammar is the base of English. If we don't know, then we won't be able to speak or write.
yeah. I am
Without
totally,
grammar, yes,
yeah.
without grammar, our English would be broken English, we can say.
You are saying perfectly right, and I am agree with you, because if we are able to construct our sentence in a proper way, only then we can make our English effectively. And for spoken English, we should have knowledge of all the tenses and modal verb. And you know, modal verb could plays a vital role in our spoken English. And do you
Yes, yes,
have no could play? If we know all the usage of could, then we speak good English. We can improve
yes,
our English.
yes, yes. Could and would are very important modal verb. So today we will discuss about could modal verb.
Yeah, there are a lot
So
of use of food.
as I want to correct you, as you said that I am agree with you. So you are not supposed to say I am agree with you. You have to say I agree with you.
Yeah,
There's
yeah,
no
yeah.
need
You
to
are,
yeah,
yeah, yeah.
yeah,
You are saying
last
right.
time.
Yeah, yeah.
But it happens with everyone. So we know all these things, but while we speak, we forget, or things doesn't come to our mind, tongue. Yeah, things
Yeah, yeah. It happens
happen
with
that
everyone,
doesn't.
you know, while speaking, we are in our flow and our
Yes, yes, yes.
attention does not go towards this side.
Yes, yes, yes. That's why things don't, come on in our mouth, on our mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah. So should we start the model verb could?
Yeah.
Okay. So will you start or should I start first?
As you wish. Now you can tell me what are the uses of food.
Okay. So I think use food in two situations. The very first situation is we use food for making humble request to someone. Like अगर हम किसी से कुछ humble request कर रहे हैं तो वहां पर हम food का use करेंगे. For example, could you please do me a favor? तो इसमें हम क्या करें, बहुत ही पोलाइटली से बोल रहे हैं. तो वी यूज फूड टू मेक हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट और टू स्पीक पोलाइटली with someone. And we can also take another example of food. As I said that could you please do me a favor, क्या आप मेरे लिए क्या आप मेरा एक काम कर सकते हो. तो यहाँ पे सकते हो और हम बहुत पोलाइटली से बंदे को कह रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे हम could का यूज करेंगे. इन द सेम वे we use could to if we want to say to someone, could I ask you something, could I ask you a question. So here in this situation, we use the modal verb could, and this modal verb is very important in speaking while speaking. Um, and the second use of could is we also use could uh, while we talk about the past abilities. Like as we know, could is the second form of can.
Yes.
So we use could to talk about past abilities. Like जो काम हम कर सकते थे लेकिन हमने नहीं किया, तो वहां पे हम could का यूज करेंगे. For example, I couldn't sleep last night. मैं रात को सो नहीं पाया, तो मैं सो सकता था लेकिन सो नहीं पाया, तो वहां पे हम could का यूज करेंगे. या फिर we could.
Here, listen to me. Here you are telling we can use could to express our capacity, ability, and our power of past. Like this.
Yes, past.
Yeah.
Because if we use can is also used to talk about abilities, but could we use could to talk about past ability. Here the difference is in could we talk about our past abilities. As I told you, as I have given you the example that I couldn't sleep last night. So here we use the modal verb could, and in the same way we
This
can
is the
say
another use of could. Mansi, this is the another use of could. When in the past, when we were able to do any work, but somehow we didn't do that work.
This is what I'm saying. This is the second use of could, and we can also take another example like this sentence like this. We could go to the park in the evening. हम शाम को पार्क जा सकते थे लेकिन नहीं गए. अब हम यहाँ पे एबिलिटी बता रहे हैं. So here we use the modal verb could.
Now, I am giving you some sentences and you have to change those sentences into English. For example,
First, I think you should clear this modal verb again according to your views. Then give me some sentences. Then I'll explain you.
could modal verb could has important role in order to speak English effectively. For example, we can use could to show our ability and our capacity of past. For example, 5 years ago, I could run 25 kilometers constantly. And 2 years ago, my grandmother read without glasses.
Okay.